All right, here's part 2 of the parking lot sale. Remember, Inside Track Club, June 1st through 4th. Everybody else on the 5th through the 7th. We're going over the Doyle items today. They're going to be 30% off all Doyle professional tools and equipment. And I've just chose a sampling of some of the better values that I think is out there. So let's just jump right into it. First, we have the Doyle 6-inch swivel vise with anvil and pipe jaws. And these are going to be 30% off with your coupon. $199.99 normal price down to $139.99. That is a super discount. Next, we have a new item by Doyle. It's the 400 amp AC/DC True RMS auto ranging digital clamp meter. Normally $64.99. With the 30% discount, it's going to be down to $45.49. Doyle's 3/16 to 3/4 inch premium flaring tool kit, normally $79.99. It's going to be brought down to $55.99 during the parking lot sale. We have another vise. It's the 4.5 inch swivel vise with anvil and the pipe jaw. Normal price $149.99. Discounted price $104.99. And if you'll look at that rating, I mean, it's nearly complete 5 stars. Everybody that buys this loves it. Next, we have a cast steel anvil by Doyle. It's a 65 pounds. Normally $139.99, down to $97.99 during the parking lot sale. How about a premium ratcheting tube bender kit? Normal price is $169.99. With your discount coupon, $118.99. Hard to beat. Nice little case to hold it all in. Here's the sizes of that particular set. It goes from 1/4 inch up to 7/8. Then we have Doyle's 50-foot fiberglass fish tape. Really good price, coming in at $17.48, down from $24.97. And then another new item from Doyle, the constant swing tubing cutter. Normally $17.99. With your discount, $12.59. Might want to add that to your toolbox. How about Doyle's premium pipe threading die? This is the full 6-piece kit. Normal price on this is $349.99. With this discount, you're saving over $100. It's down to $244.99. So if you're needing this pipe threading kit, now might be the time to buy it. And here's the sizes. It goes from 1/2 inch up to 2 inch. And we have Doyle's heavy duty ratcheting crimper. Might be nice to add to your electrical tool kit. Normal $24.99, down to $17.49 during the sale. How about an oiler? Here's the premium oiler bucket kit, normally $99.99. With your discount, it's going to be $69.99 during the sale. This thing, it says, is product weight 7 pounds, 10.4. The hose length is 59 inches. So it's a very nice bucket. How about another new item, the Doyle non-contact voltage tester with infrared thermometer. Normally $24.99. You can pick it up during the sale for $17.49. And I believe that's all for the Doyle items. There are several others available. I just chose what I thought was some of the nicer deals, at least stuff that I'd like. Maybe I'm selfish. Check back for other deals during the sale and other videos I'll have on the subject. Please give me a like and subscribe if this has helped you in any way. Maybe it narrowed down what you might want to get during the parking lot sale. And remember, that's Monday through Thursday for Inside Track Club members, and everyone else June 5th through the 7th, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Good shopping, and until the next video, y'all take care.